Okay, so now we're ready to talk about freeform containers. So the container is really a content element known as a dashboard that is going to be used to hold all the components that go into our freeform application. And we're going to create this application the same way we create a page on our website. So I'm going to return to my session development section. I'm going to create a new page. I'm going to give it a link title just like I did before. And I'm going to set up the headline because I still want my application to have an H1 tag on that page. And now the difference here is that before, when we were looking at the session 1 overview, I created an inner page. So an inner page is a content container, and it just knows how to lay out content. But now you can create a new type of container called a dashboard. So I'm going to save my page, and now I'm going to add to it a new thing called a dashboard. Now a dashboard is a subtype of inner page. So the layout mechanisms and things that work in an inner page work exactly the same in a dashboard. But a dashboard is typically used to build an application, so we set the default layout to a grid. All right, so now I've got my dashboard. I'm going to save it. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put an HTML element in it because a freeform application can still have content. So it can work just like any other page on the site, but you would typically go and create components, right? Form fields, reports, charts, that sort of thing. But we're going to keep it simple for now. So I'm going to copy this content. I'm going to return to my HTML element, and I'm going to save it. All right, so now I've created a new page that really has an application container, which is a dashboard, and right now it just has some content in it. I can view it on the site just like I would anything else. And so here's my first working freeform application. Now, not very exciting, but we're going to start stepping into the various components that you can put in freeform applications, and that'll be next.